justice, no peace. Protesters of different ages and races demanding answers in the shooting death of 18-year-old Michael Brown at the hands of a policeman.
But officers fired a total of 32 shots, and protesters can't believe there were no charges in the killing of Taylor.
Tamir Rice's death, along with other officer shootings, sparked protests nationwide. Local prosecutors asked outside investigators to look into Rice's death, and in 2 reports released by prosecutors last night, investigators found the officer acted reasonably.
In May 2010, a Mexican immigrant named Anastasio Hernandez Rojas tried to cross the border to return to San Diego, where he had lived for 25 years and had fathered 5 children.
The dark video reveals more than a dozen U.S. border agents standing over Hernandez Rojas.
The San Diego coroner's office classified Anastasio Hernandez Rojas' death as a homicide. The Department of Justice announced last year there was insufficient evidence to pursue federal criminal civil rights or other federal charges against the agents.
Today, the family of Anastasio Hernandez Rojas is taking another step in their quest for justice. The family is filing a petition with the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights in Washington, D.C.
Pedimos la familia que la comisión revisara el caso porque no hubo cargos. Nosotros lo que queremos que se haga justicia. Queremos descansar, queremos un poco de paz en mi familia, porque esto que le hicieron a mi esposo fue un asesinato.
Es algo que nunca me imaginé ver en el tiempo que llevaba como oficial. Traían a esta persona por el suelo, pateándolo, como si fuera un barril, sin importarles que la persona tuviera dolor.
A thorough review of the case by experienced federal prosecutors determined that the evidence was insufficient to pursue federal criminal civil rights charges.
U.S. law on use of force is inconsistent with international obligations. International obligations only authorize force that is necessary, proportionate, and legal, and the United States uses a very different standard. U.S. law does not require de-escalation, does not require the use of alternative uses of force or less harmful use of force.
Que haga cambios en estas políticas de fuerza que tanto han hecho sufrir y que a mi familia la destrozaron. Mi familia está destrozada. Mi familia ya nunca va a volver a ser la misma.
It is the first case that will be heard by the Commission involving an extrajudicial killing, a killing by government law enforcement. It could be an opportunity for the United States to turn the page. How can the United States hold itself out as a model of human rights and expect others to follow when it cannot control the largest law enforcement agency in the country?